Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you moral science of class UKG and the topics are quotations, prayer, song, question and answer. So first of all, I would like to explain you quotation. Now, this is quotation. LOVE love, BRINGS brings, HOPE hope, TO2, THE the, HOPELESS hopeless, AND and, GLADDENS gladdens, THE the, HEARTS hearts, OF of, THE the, SORROWFUL sorrowful. Love brings hope to the hopeless and gladdens the hearts of the sorrowful. So, dear children, the meaning of this quotation, it is the most wonderful and the greatest of all living powers. Love gives life to other life to lifeless things. And the love light a flame in the heart that is that if our heart is dark. Love brings hope to the hopeless and gladdens the heart of the sorrowful. When the hearts of a man is allowed glow with the flame of love, he is ready to sacrifice all, even his life. Now, the next is BLESSED blessed, IS is, HE he, WHO who, PREFERRETH preferred, HIS his, BROTHER brother, BEFORE before, HIMSELF himself. Blessed is he who preferred his brother before himself. So, dear children, the meaning of this quotation is we must have empathy for others and should help others in need. God humbled himself and for us came down from heaven in the form of man. As believers, we must be a reflection of God. Selflessness results in sacrificing for others, forgiving others, making peace with others, and having more love for others. Now, the next is prayer. IGIVE give, PRAISE praise, TO2 THEE DOMY my, GOD God, THAT that, THOU thou, HAS has, AWAKENED awaken, ONE OUT out, OF MY my, SLEEP slip. I give praise to thee, O my God, that thou hast awakened one out of my sleep. Understood, children? This is the prayer. One more time I am going to repeat. I give praise to thee, O my God, that thou hast awakened one out of my sleep. Now I would like to teach you song. This is the song. The first line is THE the, TIME time, TO2 BEB, HAPPY happy, IS is, NOW now. The time to be happy is now. The next line is AND THE the, PLACE place, TO2 BEB, HAPPY happy, IS is, HERE here. And the place to be happy is here. Now the next is A-N-D and T-H-E the, W-A-Y-T-O-2 B-E-B H-A-P-P-Y happy, and the way to be happy. Next is I-S is T-O-2 M-A-K-E make, S-O-M-E-O-N-E someone, H-A-P-P-Y happy, is to make someone happy. Next is A-N-D and T-O-2 B-U-I-L-D build, a L-I-T-T-L-E little, H-E-A-V-E-N heaven, O-N on, E-A-R-T-H earth, and to build a little heaven on earth. So dear children, this is the song. So now I would like to teach you this song in the rhythm. So students, the time to be happy is now. The place to be happy is here. And the way to be happy, to make someone happy, and to build a little heaven on earth. Now one more time I am going to repeat it. You will just listen carefully and try to sing in the rhythm. Okay, now start. The time to be happy is now. The place to be happy is here. And the way to be happy is to make someone happy and to build a little heaven on earth. Now, students, according to this song, that nowadays we have forgot how to smile or to be happy in our life. We are not happy, but we are not able to make others also happy. Many of us complain that it's the worst day. Everything is amazing, but nobody is happy. This because we find happiness in the artificial things that is present in our life. We miss the moment and opportunities present around us and with others. That's why neither we are become happy or we are not trying to make someone happy. It is very important to enjoy every single moment of our life. Instead of complaining, we should find the way of being happy because happiness is only the way to make this world like a small heaven. Okay, now the next is question and answer. The first is W-H-A-T what, D-O do, Y-O-U, U-N-D-E-R-S-T-A-N-D understand, B-Y by, H-E-L-P-I-N-G helping. What do you understand by helping? Now the answer is H-E-L-P-I-N-G helping, O-T-H-E-R other. Helping other, P-E-O-P-L-E people, I-S is, O-N-E-1, O-F of, T-H-E the, B-E-S-T best, W-A-Y-S ways, T-O-2, S-E-R-V-E serve, G-O-D God. Helping other people is one of the best way to serve God. Dear students, the question is here, what do you understand by helping? And the answer is, helping other people is one of the best way to serve God. So dear children, those who are helping others, they are happy and do not face any problem in their life. The purpose of life is to help others. We should not expect something in return. Your intention should be good. helping others is one of the best way to serve God, because God said to do good things that help others who are in problems. Now, the next is WHAT, what? IS is SERVICE, service. What is service? Now, the answer is SERVICE, service. IS is TO2, DO, THINGS, things. FOR, OTHER, other. PEOPLE, people. JUST, just. TO2, BEB. HELPFUL, helpful. Service is to do things for other people just to be helpful. Means that doing something for someone else without expecting any reward or gain. Service means helping other people when they cannot complete a task by themselves. There are many different ways to provide service to others. By serving others, we will be happy in our life. So, we should always serve others. In this way, we can serve to the helpless people. So, dear students, you will study at home. These are all the quotations, prayer, song, and question and answer. Thank you.